Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll talk about why GCash app games are crashing and or not opening. First off, let me start by saying on August 16 at exactly 8 p.m., GCash officially removed and suspended gaming access on its platform. Yes, that is right. It was removed with an aim to protect users from gambling risks, and that is why you can't access it anymore. But if for some reason your entire GCash account is encountering the same problem, here are some fixes. First, we can clear both cache and data. We can do this by going to your phone settings, scroll down and look for apps. Then from here, find Gcache. You want to click it. Then scroll down a bit and choose storage. From here, you can clear both cache and data. And another method you can try is by going to the App Store. From here, you want to search for Gcache. And if you see update instead of open, tap it. Updates often fix bugs and crashes. Another method we can try is to just check your internet connection. Just because sometimes the problem is just poor connectivity. And if you're on mobile data, we'll switch to Wi Fi, or if you're on Wi Fi, try mobile data instead. And if it's still not working, do a clean reinstall. Just choose uninstall from the App Store right here, then reinstall. That's it. Your Gcash app should now run smoothly. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.